It's great that you've chosen Innovaphone myApps. To help you easily and efficiently navigate myApps, we've put together the basic settings and functions in 3 steps in this video, in a swift and efficient manner. With Innovaphone myApps, you can chat, make calls, share your screen, hold video conferences, manage your voicemail, see your colleagues' presence information, and much more, all from a unified interface across all your devices. With myApps, you have access to all these functionalities which are available as individual apps in your myApps client. Let's now start with step 1, setting up the home screen. When you first start myApps, you'll see your empty home screen or possibly some pre-configured apps already. By clicking on the All Apps button in the bottom right corner, you'll see a list of all the apps that have been made available by the administrator. You can start the apps directly by clicking on them here, or by clicking the house icon next to each app, you can add them to the home screen. By using the Home button, which is always displayed in the bottom left corner, you can return to your home screen. Now the selected apps are on your home screen. Here, you can also pin contacts alongside apps. The selected elements can be individually sorted by drag and drop. If you drag an element all the way down, a new group is created, which can be named whatever you like. This way, you can keep your home screen clear and organized. Just like individual items, you can also rearrange groups using drag and drop. Your presence status, known as presence, is also displayed in the top left corner of the home screen. This is either automated by your calendar, or you can also manually change your status and, if desired, add a comment. Next to the Home button in the bottom left, all your started apps are displayed. By clicking on the respective icon, you can bring them back to the foreground. Frequently used apps such as the soft phone or chat app can be pinned using the pin symbol at the top right. This way, these apps will automatically open when you start myApps. To quickly find the desired content in myApps, the search app can be pinned. Here, you can search for contacts, conference rooms, apps, devices, settings, and connect discussions and access them directly. Additionally, an app can be dragged and dropped into the app focus next to the Home button. This app will then automatically open in the foreground, and your presence status will be displayed even with the app open. Now let's move on to step 2, setting up your profile. Use the hamburger menu at the top right to open the settings of the currently opened app. When you're on the home screen, you can access the basic settings of myApps. By clicking on Edit Profile, you can set your profile picture, change your name and password, adjust privacy settings to control who can see which of your activities, customize settings in your domain or self-configured groups and filters, set up and manage mobility and call forwarding, and join or leave available groups, such as and other related options to enhance your user experience and ensure your preferences are met effectively and efficiently. Under My Phones, you can easily and conveniently see all the phones registered to you and manage them efficiently, or add and remove new ones as needed. By clicking the X in the top left, you can close apps. The arrow icon next to it allows you to undock and dock the respective window again. Now let's move on to the third step, additional settings and operation. In the settings under Account Security, the current session can be logged out and all further logins can be checked and, if necessary, deleted. More tutorials on how to use individual apps and features can be accessed directly in myApps under Tutorials. By clicking on Exit, the myApps client will be closed. Under Default Apps, you can select the default applications for telephony services and chat applications. Additionally, app notifications can be turned on and off. Next, the app focus can be turned on and off. To change the language, click on the current language setting and select the desired language from the list. You have 2 basic display options, light mode and dark mode, such as for your screen. By selecting System, myApps automatically adjusts to the system settings. You can display the elements on the home screen either as icon representations with moderately sized details or with full details such as descriptions. Under Get the App, you'll find QR codes to install myApps on your smartphone. Under the More section, you can enable or disable the myApps Auto Start and define an automated offline appearance. You can choose whether the myApps window should not be docked, or if it should be docked on the left or right. Additionally, you can set hotkeys for telephony and for opening apps here. We explain how you can use and operate individual apps in separate myApps tutorials, which you can find on our website, on our YouTube channel, and in our Tutorials app. Thank you for watching and have fun trying it out yourself.